In your opinion, which country has the most perverts?
Sending yan nude pics and then
Oh, they're sending nude pics. Have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone being pervert here in the Philippines? Hi everybody, my name is Lorie and welcome back to the Fuentes Family Channel. Which country has the most perverts? Well, we will take this question to the streets and ask Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, their opinions about this topic. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. In your opinion, which country has the most perverts?
in my own opinion po, the country who has most pervert po is Philippines po because I experience a lot of people here catcalling.
In your opinion, which country has the most perverts?
In the Philippines.
The Philippines.
Yeah,
How about you?
China.
Why Philippines?
because there's a lot of man who drunk at the street and then they
They try to pick up
a
the
girl, a school girl at the night who's college like that. Sige na dati.
Yeah. Okay, and how about you? Why China?
Pwede ako tumutong English.
Okay, kahit Bicol or Tagalog, why China?
Para sa ko,
Teka, bebe.
Kaya, China talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain.
She can't explain but China. In your opinion, which country has the most perverts?
USA?
Why USA?
Mostly in IG, they shouted on me.
Okay.
Sending yan nude pics and then
They're sending nude pics. In your opinion, which country has the most perverts? Philippines! Grabe. Okay, how about you?
Siya yung, kasama lang niya ako.
In your opinion, how about you?
Napaisip ako dun ha. Let's say na lang, India.
India.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you say India?
Kasi yun yung mostly let's say example, pag let's say nag-a-add sila sa amin, let's say sa akin na lang yun, nagpapakita ng nila, yeah.
So it's because there are some Indian guys that are sending you friend requests, right?
Yeah.
And then they were sending her like not so good photos, let's say. Okay, and how about you? What
Experience.
from experience? Okay, how about you?
Ako, sa akin naman experience ko, yung mga dumadaan ka, tapos yung mga naka-daring dress, yung mga iba, sa tingin pa lang, alam mo na mga manyakis talaga.
So she said that if she's wearing like a daring dress, right? You're wearing daring dress. Some of the men, they were looking at her like they're like perverts like that. Okay. Just by look, she could tell that they're perverts already. In your opinion, Be, which country has the most perverts?
Siguro po sa Philippines po, kasi mostly po digdi sa Bicol kasi sa mga construction worker po or maski sa po sa tinan po digdi yung may mga catcalling tapos pag nasa sasakyan ka po as in mahihiling mo na tigmamanyak ka based on sa mata po ninda.
So she said maybe Philippines, especially here in Bicol, because if you're like walking from the streets, the construction workers, they tend to do like catcalling. And then if you are riding is that a public transportation like jeepneys?
Yes po.
Okay, people tend to look at you, right? Like the way they look like they're being like perverts. How about online? Do you have like bad experience online?
Yes po, mga strangers po na nagko-comment po sa mga videos na like,
Videos mo.
yes po, like, kahit po, even na may decente po yung suot nyo, they're like people na, wow, siguro ang ganda naman pag nakahubad ka. Like,
Also online, she experienced being, harassed like that. There are also men commenting like that. Even she's wearing decent clothes. How about people from another country? Do you have like specific country that you experience online aside from the Philippines?
yes po, mga India, America, mga ganun.
Indian in Americans. Have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone being pervert here in the Philippines?
Yes.
Yes. What happened?
Barkada ko.
Oh, a friend of her. What did he do?
Barkada siya ni kuya, tapos naka-ano po siya,
Naka
naka-chok, naka-smoke, like that.
it was a friend of her brother, and then that guy smoked weed. That's what she said, and what happened?
Nasa kwarto ako, sa sarili kong kwarto. Pero, ang kwarto ko po kaya dati, cortina pa lang po. Mayo pang wall, mayong pintuan, aro kayan. Tapos po, ito po kayang barkada ni kuya, close kami, katugaro ko tutugang, aro kayan, kaya ayos lang po sa kauning gawagan. Tapos that time po, paturog na ako, bigla siya naglaog, nagsubling charger. Aro kaya. Tas bigla po nagtukaw sa may bitisan ko. Tas hinipuan niya po ako sa legs. Tas niya ako sa may tulak. Tas nagbuhat ako bigla. Tas nagdaman ako sa kwarto ni ate.
Oh, so it's because her bedroom doesn't have walls, doesn't have a door. So the friend of her brother went inside and then touched her legs, touched her tummy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then she ran away to the room of her sister. Okay, and how about you? Why did you say China? Like, have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone being pervert from China?
Videos talaga.
Oh, from the videos online. Okay, but no bad personal experience, no?
No.
So that's your answer is only based on social media, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone being pervert from USA? Like a specific person, one person, like
No, I don't have.
you said that they're sending you pictures.
In visual, yeah.
Visual.
Yes.
Online, but not in person, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And can you tell us more? Like what happened? Like,
This year.
okay. What happened? Like, do they chat you? Like, how do they, start having conversation with you? And then,
Actually, he's good at communication with me, and then after that, he said I'm beautiful, and then yeah, I said that he's beautiful too, handsome, and then after that, he asked me that if I want to send him a sexy photo, yeah, like that. And then after that, oh my god. And then after that,
after that,
yes, I block him.
so you block him. Have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone here in the Philippines being pervert?
Yes.
May we know what happened?
Nakaupo na ako that time. Uy, grabe nagkwento. Okay. Nakaupo na ako that time. Tapos siya, parang dumikit. Dumikit siya sa akin talaga. Experience ko talaga yun. Dumikit siya sa akin. Then, ako naman, napaurong ako konti. Kasi sabi ko, di ko naman to kilala. Tapos, bigla siya nag-approach sa akin na, hi ma'am, ganun. Hiningi niya yung ko. Pero alam ko na talaga na, yun yung pakay niya. Sabi ko, putay naman yakis to.
Okay, so she said that when she was sitting down and then a guy approached her and then ask what again?
Facebook, para
Okay.
Tapos inoffer niya talaga.
What did you say exactly?
Oo, inoffer niya talaga na kung pwede na, ayun, lumabas. Lumabas po.
Like he asked you to have sex with you, right?
Yes.
Okay, but first he asked your Facebook and then he asked the question if you could do that with him.
Oo, kung pwedeng lumabas kami na kami lang dalawa.
Okay, they could go out together, the two of them. Okay, thank you so much. And how about you? Do you have like a personal experience with someone from India being pervert?
No. Actually sa akin, chat lang, through chat. Oo. Yung nag-add sa'yo, di ba? Akala ko something friendly, ganun. But, ganun lang naman sa akin. Yeah. Nagsisend sila ng mostly, naked. Yeah.
So no personal experience, but experience only on social media. Indian guys, right? Not just one, a lot, right? Okay. A lot of Indian guys are sending her nude photos, naked photos. Are you single?
Single mom.
And how about you?
I'm single.
Would you date foreigners? Let's say, because she said Philippines, would you still date Filipino?
Yes, of course.
And how about you? Would you date an Indian guy?
No.
Okay. How about foreigners?
Yeah.
But not Indian guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But not Indian.
Are you all working?
Yeah.
I mean, both of you are working, right? May we know what's your job?
Networker.
Networking.
Yeah.
And you too.
Same.
Okay, networking. I'm just curious because they're not Bicolanos, guys. They're not
Yeah,
from Naga. Where are you from, Ate?
Cebu.
And you?
From Mindanao.
Mindanao and Cebu.
Bisaya.
Wow.
Bisaya kami.
Mga Bisaya.
She said shout out to Bisaya. Wow. You're from Cebu. There are a lot of foreigners in Cebu.
Yeah, madami doon.
Have you ever had a bad personal experience with someone from here in the Philippines being pervert?
Yes po. For example po, yung naglalakad po ako sa gilid po ng kalsada, tapos po may tumawag po sa akin na nakamotor na lalaki, tapos gusto niya po akong pasakayin sa motor. Sinasabihan niya po ako na, "Be, dito ka na, sumakay ka na." Tapos sabi ko, "Ayoko po." Sabi niya, "Sumakay ka na." Hanggang sa pinipilit niya po ako. Siguro 2 beses po na ulit.
Okay. So she was walking from the street and then someone stopped, right? A person riding a bicycle,
Motor po.
a motorcycle, and then that guy was asking her to ride his motorcycle, right? And then he asked you twice, right?
Yes po.
Or it happened twice. Well,
Nangyari po siya twice, tapos po, pero ang beses naman ka po kung hinapot kung pwede akong magsakay sa motor.
so it happened to her twice. Okay, a guy stopped and asking her to ride their motorcycle. Okay, anyway, thank you so much, Pe. Salamat.
Okay po. Thank you po.